In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monday.com for sales teams. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and make sure you're working inside your sales workspace. This is important because you want to build your process in the correct area from the beginning, especially if your account has multiple workspaces for different departments. Once you're in, open your leads board for this example. You can also follow the same process with a deals board, but using leads is a simple way to demonstrate the setup. The goal here is to prepare your board so your sales team can track ownership and automate follow-up reminders more efficiently. Next, click the plus icon to add a new column. You'll want to add key fields that support your workflow, including a deal owner field and an expected follow-up date. If you don't immediately see the column type you need, click More Columns to open the full list of available options. From there, select the People column and use it as your deal owner field. This column is essential because it assigns responsibility for each lead or deal to a specific person. It also becomes very useful later when you create automations, since Monday.com can use this field to notify the right team member automatically. Now add another column, and this time create an expected follow-up date field. This date column is what tells Monday.com when a reminder should be triggered. In other words, it acts as the timing reference for your follow-up automation, helping your team stay consistent and avoid missed opportunities. Once both columns are in place, click Automate, then choose Create from Scratch. This lets you build a custom rule based on your exact sales process. In the Automation Builder, click When this happens, then select When date arrives. This means the automation will trigger when a specific date in your board is reached. Set the time you want the notification to be sent, and make sure to set the correct time zone as well. This is an important detail, especially if your team works across different regions, because it ensures reminders are sent at the intended local time. Next, click on the Date field in the automation setup and select Expected Follow-up Date. This tells the automation exactly which date column it should monitor. After that, click. Then do this and choose Notify Someone. This action allows Monday.com to send an internal notification automatically when the follow-up date arrives. Click on Someone, then set it to People, so the notification goes to the person assigned in the Deal Owner column. Then click Notify and type in your subject line, followed by your follow-up message. Keep both clear and direct so the assigned rep immediately understands what action is needed. Finally, click Create Automation. That's it. You've now set up an automated follow-up system in Monday.com for your sales team. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.